This is Kudjip Christian Integrated School. It is located in Jiwaka province. The school children were excited because they now have a new double classroom thanks to funding from PNG's Sustainable Development Program.
This building now open.
PNG SDP contributed 62,000 kina for the classroom, while the rest came from the community. It also includes a new office and water supply for the school. There are 4 water taps divided in half for the 300-plus students in the community. When fire razed down 2 bush material classrooms last year, this community was determined to rebuild them.
Mibla like him school. Population big more. Blogman blandi gamisat. School blandi. Mibla like him.
Their efforts were recognized by PNG SDP. Jiwaka Governor William Tongap urged his people to look after the properties.
Only comment me by losing you must look out them.
Kudjip Christian Integrated School is situated in a place that covers 4 LLGs with a population of 20,000 people. More classrooms are needed, and with the government's free education policy, this can be achieved. Bridget Komateb, National EMTV News.